a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I always say that all Christians, especially, I think, should come to the Holy Land to experience at least once in their lifetime. So much more real when they see the birthplace of the Bible.
2,000 years ago still exists today. There is still something living of what the event happening 2,000 years ago. There is something alive, and there is a special peace here. Presence maybe of the Holy Spirit, presence of a universal fraternity which has no boundaries.
There are times where it says, and then Jesus went off by himself, to the mountain to pray. And I imagine if it was that mountain or not, that is why I came, and that is why so many come here, is to connect more deeply with the past.
There is a very special magic, and it's a magic which has no trick hidden behind.
It's unlike any experience ever.
Whether they're Jewish or Christian, there is so much for everyone.
It's the magic of the beauty of each human being.